Hey, friends and family from Ronny's Farm to Table. It's December 22nd, and it's mighty cold in the Red River Valley. We have about minus 17 actual temperature, and feel like temperature is minus 35. And I've been trying to start the tractor here for the last 24 hours because there's some snow laying around behind me here. You can see my tracks going there. It's about 5 inches, and it's a hassle to walk through it. So I tried to get it all moved around, flattened out before the winds increase later. So I will try to do that, and then I have to go up on the roof here on this house to get some snow off it. We have about 1 foot of wet snow on top of it, and that's usually not good. Then probably I'm gonna go over there on the old farmhouse, kick off some ice chunks, and then we're gonna focus on the mushrooms. Hopefully the grain spawn will be here. So we'll see how it goes. I hope my camera will be able to record a couple minutes on the outside footage so you guys can see how it is working in minus 35 degrees Fahrenheit, which by the way would be minus 37 degrees Celsius. So let's get to it. Click. Welcome in the Berliner room. We are back here in the wet corner where we have our little sink coming in here and faucet. The sink was sitting on this side of the wall. I moved it over here now. I had to detach a plate and it fits very nicely in here. And the faucet shoots right into the sink base here, which is awesome. It's gonna make a lot of jobs a little bit easier. So we have to clean the water tank. Let's do that pretty quick and then probably rearrange the tables because I would like the longer one in the room and the shorter one on the end. So we have more optimizing space usage going on. So let's do it. So I rearranged the tables back here, and you see a chart over there where you can see actually my current output that I have. What you usually see that I'm trying to achieve is at least half a pound per bag. That would be my goal. Then I'm good. Then I can make this mushroom farm work. However, currently we have about 0.15 pounds per bag. As I said earlier, in one of the videos, I think I have to get more nutrients to my mushroom bags. Right now I'm just using straw and wood chips. They grow mushrooms, but they don't grow a lot of quantity. And I have to hit now quantity. I think I hit the quality in most of my bags, and now I want the quantity. So for that I have to add a couple nutrients like gypsum and vermiculite and other things that I will talk about in a different video at some point. However, as it is right now, 0.15 pounds per bag, I cannot make this work. This will not work. My energy cost and everything else will be way more than I ever will make money on it, and then I have to consider this being a hobby, not a profession. So, goal is ½ pound per bag, and I'm going to try hard to reach that within the next month. Push your thumbs, keep your fingers crossed, we will get there. So, that's the rearranged room. Let's get to other projects that we have to do, alright? Hey folks, we are ready for What's Up Mush? We haven't been in the grow tent for a while, so let's quick take a look where things are, and I saw that one of the bags that I put in there recently with the first flush coming in, the little pins are coming out, so we probably have to rearrange a couple things in there just so they can grow optimally out on each side. I changed the way how I cut my bags now. I usually have 3 long lines in the middle and then actually 2 on the side of the bag. So this will be my first flush, and then the second flush will be just one side on the back and maybe on the top. I will have to see how we're gonna do it. So let's go quick in, check it out. But before we can go in, we have to be in our super sterile lab of it. Hold on a second. All right, let's check what's going on in Mushroom Paradise. Let me come in here for a second. Whoopa. All right. Up here we have lion's mane. They're doing okay. They're starting to grow. Down here is white oysters. Some are coming here, but they are pretty much done. They're on their second, third flushes. So a lot of those bags are gonna go out. Then down here we have some pink oysters from 14. So they're almost a month old. They're on their second flush. Here we have some golden oysters on their second flush. Down there's chestnuts. They're still on their first flush. They usually take a little bit. When you look over here, hold on a second. There we have chestnuts, beautiful coming in. They're all ready to be harvested. Here are some golden oysters, pink oysters on their second flush, white oysters on their second flush back here. And when we look over here, those are the newest bags that I entered in here. And one thing that you see on them, they're not as pretty inoculated white as the others. So, but I still want to try to grow them. Those were not contaminated, those white oysters. And here, look at that. Those are the pink oysters, and they're just coming. So probably what I'm going to be doing is putting them on different shelves so they have a little bit more space, a little bit more breathing room to grow. So that's the update from the grow tent. That's it for today. I scored me some chestnut mushrooms that you saw in the What's Up Mush section. I'm going to be using those on around my Christmas feast table. Probably in a cream of mushroom soup with some beans, kind of like a green bean casserole just with real mushrooms in it. Sounds pretty tasty to me. So I gotta go get some more groceries because there will be a blizzard tonight starting at 9 p.m. and going to tomorrow 6 p.m. And that will be interesting to see. The winter's coming in, the temperature is mighty cold already. And just standing out here, it's not even a minute yet, I can feel how my mustache is freezing. And my hands are getting quite cold too, so thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow, and until then, bye.